Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll explain how to delete photos from OneDrive so you can free up storage space and manage your cloud files more easily. Step 1, open your web browser and go to the OneDrive website, then sign in with your Microsoft account. This gives you access to all the files and photos stored in your OneDrive cloud storage. Step 2, click on Photos from the left sidebar or open the folder where your photos are saved. This helps you quickly locate the images you want to remove. Step 3, select the photo or photos you want to delete by clicking the check mark on each one. Selecting files ensures only the chosen photos are removed from your account. Step 4, click the Delete option at the top menu or right-click and choose Delete. This moves the selected photos to the OneDrive recycle bin instead of deleting them permanently. Step 5. Open the recycle bin in OneDrive if you want to permanently remove the photos. Click one option, then together pressing Ctrl. A. Deleting from the recycle bin frees up storage space and completes the removal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Windows tutorials.